Hi guys, let's say you come across this question in your JAMB exam. What volume of distilled water should be added to 400 cm³ of 2 mol per dm cube H2SO4 to obtain 0.2 mol per dm cube of solution? Now, first thing you must do when you are attempting this kind of equation is to write out the parameters solution. Now, you write out the parameters that was given. Volume, we were given volume 1 because I said what volume should be added to. That means this volume I already have it before. Now, what volume should be added to? They are asking me for volume, but I already have one volume before. That means my volume 1 will be 400 cm³, and the volume they are asking me will be volume 2, which is the one I don't know. Then 400 of this, the concentration of the 400 C1 is 2 mol per dm cube. To obtain this, to obtain 0.2, that means my concentration 2 is 0.20 mol per dm cube. Now, looking at the parameters, the most suitable formula that you can use here is simple dilution formula, which is C₁V₁ equals to C₂V₂. From the parameters, that means I'm looking for V2. Then you make V2 the subject of the formula, which is V2 equals to C₁V₁ over C2, which is equals to 2 times volume 1, that's 400, over 0.20, which is equals to, that's 2 times 400 divided by 0.2, 400 cm³.